Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. If you've been running Facebook ads and want a smoother way to track and manage your leads, this is going to be the perfect solution. It's super simple and will save you a ton of time. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you that there is no direct way for you to be able to connect your Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. Instead, we need to use a third-party service called Zapier. It's an automation workflow, and all I have to do is sign up for a free account. You can use your Google, or if you want to use your business or personal email, it's okay. And follow the on-screen instructions. And once you've done that, you will be forwarded to the dashboard of Zapier. And let me tell you that setting up your Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets is very easy because you can use the Copilot AI beta to do that. Type in Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets, and as you can see, there is like a template already for you to do it. Now you can choose from capturing new leads from Facebook lead ads and log details into Google Sheets, or you can capture new leads from Facebook lead ads, log in Google Sheets, and notify a team via Gmail. It's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. But in my case, I'm going to be choosing the first one. And from here, do not be confused even if it's your first time using Zapier because it's very easy to follow. All I have to do is, as you may notice, you can see these steps 1 to 2. All right? And then from here, click the Try It Now button because this will forward you to the automation process. It is creating the workflow for you. And as you may notice, the Zapier editor gives you all these options for you. You can set up the app. For example, you can set the trigger event right here to create a spreadsheet row after getting the Facebook lead ads. And then from here, you need to sign in with your account and then click the test button at the top right corner. As you may notice, the Copilot is also giving you some steps and guidelines so that if in case you are lost during the whole process, you have some guidance right here. Now, all I have to do is very simple. Connect your Facebook lead ads account, 3 dot, okay? And then log into your Google Sheet as well. If you don't have any access to these accounts, you might want to ask your supervisor, your manager, your leader, or maybe your client to give you access so that you can move forward. And then the last option here is going to be clicking the test run because that will determine if the automation workflow that you have created is successful or if you need to tweak some settings. And then after that, all I have to do is click the publish button, and basically that's it on how to connect your Facebook leads ad to Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.